You might bypass TPM and secure boot, but there's one CPU feature you cannot bypass, and without it, Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 won't install or even boot. It's called POPCNT. In this video, I'll explain what it is and how to check if your CPU supports it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. If Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2 refuses to install on your PC, even with all bypasses, your CPU is likely the problem. What is POPCNT? POPCNT is low-level CPU instruction that counts bits in binary numbers. That sounds technical, but here's what really matters. Microsoft now requires POPCNT at the hardware level. If your CPU doesn't support it, Windows 11 24H2 and newer, including 25H2, will not boot. There is no workaround for this. Which CPUs support it? Intel CPUs need SSE 4.2, AMD CPUs need SSE 4A, also called ABM. These features first appeared around 2006 to 2008. So older CPUs like Intel Core 2 Duo, AMD Turion 2, or many AMD A-series laptops often do not support POPCNT. Those systems may still run Windows 10 or Windows 11 version 23H2 and older, but 24H2 and 25H2 will fail or be SOD, blue screen of death. How to check POPCNT support? There are several ways to check if your CPU supports POPCNT. The easiest method is to ask an artificial intelligence AI tool such as ChatGPT, Gemini, X, or Copilot. Does my CPU support POPCNT? Just replace the CPU model with your own. For example, we ask ChatGPT the following question. Does my Intel Core i7-3632Q CPU support POPCNT? As you can see, our old laptop CPU supports this feature. Another way to check if your CPU supports POPCNT is by using CPU-Z, a popular and widely recognized third-party tool. Download CPU-Z from the official CPU ID website. The download link can be found in the description. After installation, open CPU-Z. Go to the CPU tab and look for the instructions section. If your computer's CPU is Intel, check if SSE 4.2 is listed among the supported instruction sets. If your computer's CPU is AMD, check if SSE 4A is listed among the supported instruction sets. If it's listed, you're safe to upgrade to Windows 11 version 24H2, 25H2 or newer. If not, you'll be limited to version 23H2 or lower. Why this matters? This is why many installs fail even after bypassing TPM, secure boot, or RAM checks. You cannot bypass missing CPU instructions. So before wasting hours trying to force install Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2, check POPCNT support first. If this helped, leave a like and comment your CPU model below. I'll help you check it. And if your CPU does support POPCNT, check the links below for my Windows 11 bypass guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.